Hey everyone, welcome back to the Easy English podcast. I'm Elisa.
And I'm John. How's it going, Elisa?
Oh, it's going great. I'm so excited for today's episode. How about you, John?
I'm doing awesome too. I'm super excited because today's topic is all about hobbies and free time. I'm sure everyone will love it.
Absolutely. It's a big topic, and it's something that we all do every day. So if you want to learn more about daily life English, this episode is for you.
By the way, we suggest you to also watch the part 1 of this episode. The link is in the description.
And before we start, please subscribe to our channel and share this episode with your friends. It really helps us out, and we're always happy to help you learn English in the easiest way possible.
Yes, go ahead and hit that like button. We can't wait to share some fun ideas with you today.
So today, we're talking about something we all love, our free time and hobbies.
Yeah, exactly. So let's jump in. Elisa, tell me, what do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies?
Ooh, my favorite question. I have a lot of hobbies. One of my favorite things to do in my free time is reading. I love reading books, especially adventure books. What about you, John? Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. But I have to say I'm more into watching movies than reading books. I really love action movies. They're so exciting. Do you like movies too, Lisa?
Oh, I do, but I prefer cozy movies. You know, those feel-good movies that make you smile. I think they're a nice change from the big action films. But hey, we're both movie lovers, right?
Yes, we both love movies, but we have different tastes. That's what's fun about hobbies. Everyone has their own interests. For me, after a busy day, I also love going for a walk in the park. It helps me relax. Do you ever go for walks, Lisa?
Oh, yes, I love going for walks too. But I also love hiking in the mountains. There's something about the fresh air and beautiful views that just makes me feel amazing. Have you ever gone hiking, John?
Wow, that sounds amazing. I've gone hiking a few times, but I don't get to do it often. Maybe I should try it more. Do you do it often, Lisa?
Well, I try to go once a month, but sometimes I get too busy with work. But when I go, it feels so good. I love being surrounded by nature. Okay, now it's your turn to ask me something, John.
All right, Lisa. Since you love hiking, do you also like traveling? I know a lot of people who enjoy traveling to different places. What about you?
Oh, yes, I absolutely love traveling. I think it's one of my favorite hobbies. Last year, I went to Italy, and it was incredible. The food, the culture, everything was so beautiful. Have you been to any exciting places, John?
That sounds amazing, Lisa. I haven't been to Italy yet, but it's definitely on my list. For me, I love going to the beach. I went to a beautiful beach in the summer, and it was so relaxing. I spent the whole day swimming and enjoying the sun. It was perfect. Do you like the beach?
Oh, I love the beach too. I enjoy swimming and just sitting by the water, feeling the waves. It's so peaceful. But I think I prefer the mountains a little more. I guess I'm more of a mountain girl than a beach girl.
That's funny. Well, I think both are great. It really depends on the mood, right? Sometimes you want to relax on the beach, and other times you want to hike in the mountains. We all need a mix of both. So, Elisa, do you have any other hobbies? Anything else you enjoy doing in your free time?
Oh yes, I love cooking. I find it really fun to try new recipes and experiment with different ingredients. It's like a little adventure in the kitchen. Do you like cooking, John?
Well, I do like cooking, but I'm not as good as you, Elisa. I mostly stick to simple meals like pasta or sandwiches. But hey, I'm learning. Maybe you could give me some cooking tips sometime.
Oh, absolutely. Cooking doesn't have to be difficult. There are so many easy recipes that taste amazing. And hey, pasta is a great choice. It's simple, delicious, and you can add so many different sauces to it. You're on the right track.
Thanks, Elisa. I'll definitely try some new recipes soon. And who knows, maybe one day I'll cook a fancy meal for you.
Oh, I'll be waiting. Now, let's switch it up a little. What about sports? Do you like playing any sports in your free time?
Yes, I love playing basketball. It's one of my favorite hobbies. I play with my friends almost every weekend. It's a great way to stay active and have fun. Do you play any sports, Elisa?
Well, I'm not a big sports person, but I do enjoy playing tennis from time to time. It's a great workout, and I love the challenge. But I also enjoy watching sports, especially soccer. Do you watch soccer, Jhon?
Yes, I love soccer. I watch the games whenever I can. It's so exciting to see the teams compete. Do you have a favorite team, Elisa?
I do. I'm a fan of FC Barcelona. I've watched many of their games. They play such beautiful football. What about you, Jhon? Who's your favorite team?
Well, I'm a huge fan of Real Madrid. It's always fun to watch the games between Barcelona and Real Madrid. The energy is just incredible. But hey, no matter which team we support, it's all about enjoying the game, right?
That's true. It's all in good fun. So, Jhon, I want to ask you something fun. If you could try a new hobby, something you've never done before, what would it be?
That's a good question. I've always wanted to try painting. I think it would be cool to create art, even though I'm not very good at it. What about you, Elisa? Is there any new hobby you'd like to try?
Oh, I love that idea. I'd love to try pottery. You know, making things with clay. It seems so relaxing and creative. I think I'd enjoy it. Maybe I could even make my own mugs.
Wow! Pottery sounds like so much fun. I can totally imagine you making beautiful mugs. I should join you and try it too. We could have a pottery day.
That would be amazing. We can both learn together. Who knows, maybe we'll even start a pottery business one day.
I love that idea. Elisa and Jhon's pottery. I can see it now. But seriously, trying new hobbies is such a great way to learn new things and have fun at the same time. It doesn't matter if you're good at it or not, as long as you enjoy it.
Exactly. Hobbies are all about having fun and being creative. And trying new things can help you grow and discover new passions. So anyone listening, what about you? Have you ever tried a new hobby recently? Let us know in the comments.
Yes, we'd love to hear about it. And if you haven't tried anything new lately, why not give it a go? It's never too late to start something new.
Yes, even if it's something small, like learning how to cook a new recipe or picking up a new book. You never know what could become your next favorite hobby.
Absolutely. And you know, it's also a great way to improve your English. You can practice talking about your hobbies with friends, or even look up videos or blogs about your new hobby in English. It's a fun way to learn and practice.
Okay, wow, Jhon, that was so much fun. We've talked about hobbies like reading, movies, hiking, cooking, sports, and so much more. Let's quickly review some of the things we discussed today.
Sure. We talked about different hobbies and how important it is to have fun in your free time. It's all about relaxing and doing what makes you happy. Whether it's reading a book, going for a walk, or playing sports, everyone has their own way to enjoy their free time.
Exactly. And remember, learning English can be fun too. You can practice your English by talking about your hobbies with friends. So let us know in the comments, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. We hope you enjoyed today's episode as much as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please share this with anyone who's learning English. And let us know in the comments, what is your favorite hobby? We'd love to hear from you.
All right, that's it for today's episode. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye!